Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how I made this step by step in After Effects. Alright, so let's jump right in. Start by making a new composition 6 seconds long. Then add a solid and apply a gradient ramp to it. Push it down so it covers a little less than half the screen. And change the end color to blue. Now add another solid, set the color to black and hit OK. Grab the rectangle tool and draw a mask like I did. Invert the mask so we get those black bars, kind of like Iman Gadzhi-style. Next, drop in the topographic background. By the way, all the assets I'm using are linked in the description. Rename your layers to keep things clean. Then add a tint effect to the background. Change the white to black and the black to a grayish blue. Now bring in the Bosman image and apply BCC Colorize to it. Just copy my settings. You'll need the BCC and Sapphire plugins for this animation to work, so make sure to download those if you haven't already. Next, grab the puppet pin tool and add pins to the image like I did. We are doing this to add a subtle animation to the still image. Move 45 frames forward and tilt his head back just a little. Copy the first keyframe and paste it at the 3-second mark. Then copy the last two keyframes and paste them again after another 45 frames. Select all keyframes and press F9 to ease the motion. Now grab the text tool and type Internet Millionaires. Change the font to Arcade Classic, copy my settings, and align it horizontally. Place the text layer behind the Bosman image. Add the car image, scale it down, and set its position. Apply the tint effect and use the eyedropper tool to change the white to the same color as the Bosman and black to a dark grey. Pre-compose this layer and jump into that new composition. Now duplicate the car layer 2 more times. We are doing this so that we can mask out the tires and animate them. Use the ellipse tool to draw a perfect circle over each tire. To do this, hold right click, drag the mouse, then hold shift to keep it a circle and hold spacebar to move it around. Repeat the same thing for the second tire. If you try to rotate it now, it will look weird, so let's fix it. Move the anchor point to the center of each wheel, and now the rotation will work properly. Add a keyframe for rotation at the beginning, go to the end and set it to around 6 full rotations. Select both keyframes, press F9 and copy my graph. Copy both keyframes and paste them onto the second wheel so they spin at the same speed. Enable motion blur for both layers and then close this composition. Rename it to car. Back in the main composition, move the car out of the frame at the beginning using its X position and set a keyframe. Then go to the end and move it right next to the Bosman. Select the keyframes, press F9 and copy the same graph to make sure the wheel's speed matches the car's movement. Enable motion blur here as well. Now go back into the car composition and add CC light sweep to the car body. Increase the width. Move it off screen at frame 15 and add a keyframe. Go 5 seconds ahead and move the light sweep across the bonnet. Select both keyframes, hit F9 and use the same graph as before. Next, bring the money bag image into the main comp. Scale it down. Apply CC plastic and then BCC Colorize. Again, copy my settings. Set its position. Go to 3-second 15 frames and add a keyframe. Then go back 25 frames and move it off screen. Select both keyframes, hit F9 and copy this graph. Enable motion blur. Now add the money falling video. Trim the empty part and place it at 1 second 15 frames. Add linear color key to remove the background. Change the frame blending to pixel motion. Then right click the layer, time stretch, set it to 200 and hit OK. Bring in the smoke animation. Jump to number 4 and trim the extra part. Move it below the money bag layer. Add linear color key, increase the matching tolerance. Scale it down and adjust the rotation and position so it sits right under the money bag. It should start after the money bag animation ends. Duplicate it and place it on the other side for balance. Put the black bars layer on top of everything. Now let's make this whole animation look 10 times better. Add a new adjustment layer and place it just below the black bars so they don't get affected. First, add Turbulent Displace. Lower the amount and size. This gives it that wavy feel that Iman loves to use. Next, add scan lines. Set the line frequency to around 770. Now throw on deep glow. Increase the radius and reduce the exposure. Lastly, add posterize time and drop the frame rate to 16 fps for that stylized look. And that's it. I hope you guys liked the video and learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll be back next week with another cool tutorial. Till then, peace out.